And we're going to use ChatGPT to create a family meal plan that is both budget friendly, so including budget friendly meals and low amount of prep meals, easy ingredients. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, and the key to anything you do with ChatGPT, is all in the prompting. And so the first thing I like to do is tell it who it's going to act like. So pretend you are a expert meal planner. I want to create a family meal plan for 6 people for dinners using budget friendly meals with a low amount of prep work. Put this into a chart. And so let's see here what we get. That's fantastic. So it is giving us the day of the week, the meal, the recipe, how long the prep time is. So it's proving to you that it is low amount of prep work that we asked for. And it's proving to you that it's low cost. So here is an estimated amount of what each meal is going to cost. And so let's take a look at what it gave us. We have cooked chicken, tortillas, lettuce, so tacos, baked ziti, slow cooker chili, vegetarian quesadillas, pizza night, creamy chicken and rice, and then beef stir fry. This is a fantastic meal plan. I do want to make one change. I don't know that we're going to do a beef stir fry. Let's replace beef stir fry with another ground beef meal option. And so let's see, it's going to now give us the same chart again, and it's going to take that last one, and now we have beef and broccoli. So we've got ground beef. Let's ask it to recreate this chart, adding a column with links to recipes for the meals. And so now we get this fantastic chart with everything it's already told us. It's going to add now this link, so we should be able to click on it, figure out what the recipe wants and what we need to get as far as ingredients. And so if we're now happy with this meal plan, we're going to ask it to create a shopping list for this menu. And now it spits out everything that we need to make these meals. Recreate this list and use proper categories to itemize the list and quantities to feed a family of 6 that are needed. And now it's going to take all of these things that we need. It's itemized them by category in the store and given us an amount of what it is that we need. So this is fantastic to take to the store. You can print this off, copy it to Google Docs, print it off, and have a checklist to go through and make sure that you're getting everything. And with this, you should have everything that you need to make the meals that were up here in this chart. So this is how I use ChatGPT to make a meal plan for our family.